Today I'm going to visit Africa, and here there are a lot of animals like giraffes, elephants, zebras, but you have to continue your activities. So open your book, and I'm looking for a lion. Bye. This is the vocabulary of today. It refers to the keywords, so you have to practice and repeat after me, please. Flying. Flying is a verb. For example, I'm flying a kite. Lemonade. The lemonade is a delicious water of lemon, a lemon's water. Riding. Riding is a verb too. For example, I'm riding a bike. I'm riding a bike.
Present progressive. Pay attention to the following explanation, please. Uses of the present progressive. It is used to describe an action that is happening at the moment. For example, I'm walking to the clothing store. It can be used to stress that an action is continuous. For example, I'm learning Spanish. I'm learning Spanish. This is the correct order to write in present progressive. Subject plus verb to be in present plus the verb plus ing. Then we have an examples about present progressive. They are playing. They are drinking tea. He is making a snowman. They are cooking. He is drawing. He is jumping. In this case, for example, number 1, they are playing. They is the subject. Are the verb to be. And playing is the verb play plus ing. Let's continue with your activities on your book, part 4, what can we build together? Pages 68 and 69. Page 68, you have the activity number 1 and 2, complete with the information or the explanation about present progressive. The next page, 69, is about the same. You have to write in the correct order subject, the verb to be, the verb plus ing, and the complement or the extra information.
Dear students, it's all for today, but see you tomorrow. Bye.
I never made it, but I know